I caught a scammer making fake reviews on TrustPilot. Check this video out. Alright, so y'all know how I like exposing scammers, especially this scammer, but I'm going to show you where he makes up these reviews on TrustPilot, and it's very easy to figure out. So as you can see, Jill here made a new review, right? Well, when you click on it, how come it doesn't show the other review? Let me show you what I mean. Plus the picture's different. Let's scroll down to the other Jill. How come the other review's not up? Now you may be wondering, how can you prove that? Well, let's go to Brian. Brian has made plenty of reviews about Pinnacle. So watch what happens. When you click on Brian, every one of his bad reviews is right there together because Brian actually made the bad review. Andre created these and made them himself. Now, he had the lady on his channel, no doubt about it. Now, whether he paid her, offered her free credit repair, whatever, I don't know, I don't care. But I just wanted y'all to see that he does make up these fake reviews on TrustPilot. Do not fall for this scammer's BS.